So you're on Spotify and you're streaming and you see someone and you're like, hey, what's this blue check mark? They're a verified Spotify artist. How do I get that? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get quickly verified on Spotify so you can not only get that blue check mark, but you'll get access to Spotify for Artists, which is even more amazing. Hi, I'm Reagan Ram with OrpheusAudioAcademy.com, helping you make better music and grow your fan base online. And today we're talking all about how to get quickly verified on Spotify. And you can skip ahead if you already know this, but why is it important to be verified on Spotify? It's not just so you can get that blue check mark, but you get access to Spotify for Artists, which gives you a lot of amazing tools. This allows you to edit your bio. It allows you to add pics to your Spotify profile. So you can go in there, you can put in your bio, you can upload pictures, and you can even put in links to where people can follow you on social media. You can also update your artist pick, which is where you can select a little song that will appear at the top of your Spotify profile that's a little highlight, a little call out to your fans, and that can help you get more streams. And it also just shows your audience that you're engaged and there's a reason to come back to your profile because you're updating things on your profile, such as your pictures and your artist pick. Now, being a part of Spotify for Artists also gives you access to a lot of vital data when it comes to your streams. You can see, who is listening to your music, what's their gender, what's their age, where in the world are they listening. And you can also see what playlists are getting you lots of streams for your music. So a lot of really good data that you can get from being a member of Spotify for Artists. So this is definitely something you want, and you need to get verified with Spotify to do this. All right, so how do you get verified? Well, first off, you have to submit music to Spotify. So you have to have signed up for a music distributor. The one I like a lot is DistroKid. And in fact, I'll show you a shortcut to getting verified that DistroKid allows you to do. But you don't have to sign up for DistroKid. It could be CD Baby, TuneCore, or one of these other ones. And you sign up for one of those, and then you can submit your music to then be uploaded to Spotify, Apple Music, and all these other stores. And if you want help knowing how you can do this, then you can just click up here to check out my other video all about how you can upload your music to Spotify. Okay, once you've done that, now a account has been created for you, and you just have to go in and claim it and get access to it. And so there's two ways to do this. And like I said, one is a shortcut route inside of DistroKid. So here I am in DistroKid. So we can go to goodies real quick here and then click on special access. And so here you can claim your Apple Music for Artists. You can also connect your personal YouTube account to your topic YouTube account. But what we're looking at here is Spotify for Artists. So get verified, manage your profile, learn about your listeners, and get the most out of Spotify. So we'll click on that, and then you select your artist name. So I'll say Andromeda Coast, and click Get Access. And then it's just going to have you log in into Spotify, and then you'll follow the steps to get connected. Now, I'm already connected, so this wouldn't do anything for me, but this is how you can quickly get connected very easily, and you don't have to wait a long period of time or potentially get rejected by Spotify. This is a surefire way to get verified. Now, if you don't have DistroKid using some other platform, then you can get access as well. You just go to artists.spotify.com, and it will look something like this. They might change it by the time you're looking at it. They change this pretty frequently. You might see different artists showing up on here. And then what you want to do is you click this button over here that says Get Access. And then it's saying Get Access to Spotify for Artists. First, tell us who you are. So are you an artist or a manager, or are you a label team member? And for you, if you're an indie artist, unless you're part of a big organization, you're going to say artist or manager. Now from here, it might prompt you to sign up for Facebook, or it might ask you to search on your artist. I'm not sure how it goes, but since I'm already signed up, it just takes me right to where I sign up for Spotify, log into my Spotify account. But for you, you might have the extra step of having to search on your artist name and then select that artist. But otherwise, that is how you connect your account, and that's how you get verified on Spotify. So I'll go ahead and log in so you can see what Spotify for Artists look like. So this is your home feed where you can choose your artist pick. See, mine has expired, so I'll do that. And then you're given some other tips on how to grow your music career, which is pretty cool. And you're given some quick stats over the last 7 days. So then you can go to music and you can see all your songs. You can see them organized by releases, and you can see what playlists your songs are being listened to on. So you can see I'm getting a couple algorithmic streams, but most of my streams are coming from listener user-generated playlists. And part of that is because I haven't been really doing any promotion lately, so I need to get on the promotion. And then you have upcoming here. So this is where you can see any upcoming releases. And I actually just submitted a song in a previous video, and so that will be showing up here soon. All right, and then you can look at audience, and this is where you get all the data about your followers. You can look at your listeners, the sources of your streams, the gender and artists your listeners also like, and the top countries over the last 28 days. And then finally, you arrive at your profile here. So this is where you can update your cover photo, update your about section. So you can upload images here, update your bio here. You can also share any concerts you have coming up. And then you can see what other artists your fans like. And when you're small, this is probably going to be a little bit inaccurate. And then here you have your artist pick. So we can choose a song that we want to promote or a playlist. So I'm going to choose this playlist and say, here's what we're listening to. And we're not going to have a background image, but you can upload a background image if you want. And then we're just going to hit save. So now we have an artist pick that listeners can see. And this is kind of a big playlist I'm trying to grow. And I've got some of our songs on that as well. And then you can see there was some other data down here. You can edit your playlists. If you want to feature more playlists, you can do that here. Go ahead and get verified whether you use DistroKid or not. But if you do decide to use DistroKid, then to be sure to go through my link, because you'll get 7% off your first year's membership. So you can find that link in the description below, or you can go to orpheusaudioacademy.com/DistroKid so you can get that discount. All right, drop a like if you found this video helpful, and feel free to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Otherwise, have an awesome day and keep creating.